Welcome back to our channel, this one. And here in the last videos, we explained regarding the polynomials. Okay, so what is the polynomials and how we can find the degree of polynomials and the types of polynomials is based on what, based on degree and based on number of terms. So these videos we are going to explain the types of polynomials and how we can find the solution of that polynomials. Okay, and that we called as the zeros of polynomials. Types of polynomials based on degree. Okay, if it is a, suppose f of x, if degree is 1, if degree equals to 1, then we call it as a linear polynomials. Standard form we can write as ax, so p of x equals to ax plus b. And if it is the, if we need to find, suppose as I explained in the quadratic equations, if it is a degree and degree is 2 or 1, the number of degree will give the number of solution that particular expression or equations. Okay, here also the linear polynomials means we can get the one solution that is called roots here in the polynomials, zeros. So here 0, how much be zeros we can get? 1. Okay, so how we can get the 0 means just to equate the p of x equals to 0. So ax plus b equals to 0 means we can say x equals to minus b by a. So we can find the zeros of polynomials of linear polynomials like that. Just equate the p of x equals to 0, and that is a simple equations we already learned in the junior classes. How to find the solution of x, how to find the value of x in the simple equations. So linear equations we already explained there, means if it is a single variables means we can call it as a simple polynomials. Okay, now if it is a degree 2, degree 2 means quadratic polynomials, as we learn in quadratic equations. Here polynomials with p of x equals to ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard form of quadratic polynomials. Okay, so here we know that if it is degree 2 means we can get the two solutions, that is for two zeros we can get here. Okay, so 0 we can find by using p of x equals to 0, and equate this ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We can go with the different method is there, as I have said in the quadratic equations. We can go with the immediate term splitting or factorization method. Okay, and one more thing is there, they will ask you by, you have to relate coefficient and the zeros, means how to relate the coefficient and zeros of polynomials. So as I said, alpha equals to, so alpha is the root of one root of that quadratic polynomials, and beta is another root. So we know that alpha plus beta is there, means what we can say, minus b by a, minus b by a by c. So how we can say minus b by a? Because eliminate the a from higher degree terms. So make it as a coefficient 1, and whatever terms will be there, suppose let it be, choose any one question. 2x square plus 6x plus 4 equals to 0. Let it be this one. So how to compare those things means first eliminate 2 from here because higher degree terms. So divide 2 both sides, x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, this thing. So how much we are getting from here by seeing the sum of roots, sum of the zeros. This that is 3 minus 3, and the product of zeros is c by a, the last term, by the term means coefficient of the first. So we can write 2 by 1, that is 2. Okay, so this is the relation. This we can like this we can find the relation between the zeros and the coefficient of the zeros and the coefficient of the polynomials. If it is a quadratic, we can see this one. If it is a cubic means, there we can get the two roots. Okay, three zeros. The sum will be alpha plus beta plus gamma, means three root will be there. And next term will alpha, sum of the roots two at a time, beta gamma plus gamma alpha, and the product of root. There three expression you will get in the cubic if it is a cubic polynomials. So how we can write? Same, minus b by a, here c by a, and here minus d by a. Okay, so this is the relation between coefficient and the zeros of the quadratic equations. Quadratic polynomials is this one, and this one. So how they will ask you the questions means they will give you one polynomials, and they will ask you to find the uh, zeros of that polynomials. After that, they ask you to verify by their coefficient. Okay, by using the coefficient, verify those zeros whether whatever the answer you are getting that is correct or not. Okay, so maybe 1 or 2 marks question they will ask you from this by using the coefficient and the relationship between coefficient and the zeros. You have to verify that. Okay, so you can verify like that. Cubic is there means three things you need to find, that is also sum of the zeros, three at a time. This one, alpha plus beta plus gamma, three zeros are there because we are discussing about the cubic means three zeros will be there. And if it is sum of zeros, two at a time, so this one, product of zeros, three zeros are there, means multiply all the zeros. So these are the relation between coefficient and the uh, zeros of the polynomials. So see, this much is there important in that polynomials, and as we know from here only that linear, quadratic, and all this came, but they will focus very less in on that. Either they will ask you the find the zeros of the given polynomials, or else they will ask you to whether that expression is given are polynomials or not. So this type of question they will ask you in that examinations. And another one will be the find the zeros of the polynomials and verify that. Especially they will ask you in that quadratic polynomials, first to find the zeros of the quadratic polynomials, and then verify with the coefficient whether that they are the true or not according to the relationship between coefficient and the zeros. Okay, so these two three questions they will ask you from these topics. In this pandemic years, we know that you already reduce your syllabus, so try to hope they will give you the easy one. And if it is tough also, nothing is there in that, try to understand each and every terms as I explained in that videos. So if you understand those things means if they give any questions, you can easily attempt those questions. Okay, so okay, so keep watching our videos, and keep trying the questions in our site, that is schoolquiz.com. So very interesting questions are there. All are based on the concept based questions are there. Basics questions are there. They can improve your concept. How we discuss here, like that, the questions will be there in that site. Okay, so go and sign up there and try questions. And every day we are adding the questions there. So next topics will be chosen from algebra only, because we are trying to cover all the topics from algebra. So I think next topic will be given from the arithmetic progressions. Okay. After that, we will decide which one is important for you and where the students feel difficult. So we will choose that topic according to that. Okay. So for this, thank you. We know we are all going in the pandemic. So try to wear mask all the times and whenever you are going outside, and inform your parents also to keep away from the uh, group of the peoples. And if it is some they are not using those things, so try to tell them and say them regarding the pandemic and diseases, how the deadly virus are there. So okay, so keep your health fine, and keep watching our channels. Thank you.